Hey folks, uh, got a toilet bowl, tank problem. Got a crack in it. Now, for the life of me, I don't know how it happened, but just started hearing a drip and seeing water on the floor. It goes right up there, and it looks like it's been seeping for a long time. Once in a while, I will see a little water on the floor, and it recently it didn't get cold down here, but the temperature dropped a little bit, and I wonder if this is an old toilet. It's probably the original one to the building from the 60s, I would guess. So anyway, while it was still on there, I tried some of this tape that you use on like an RV roof, Eternal Bond tape. Well, it stuck to this rough surface. This is kind of rough up here, but it did not stick to this. It actually did work for a while, like hours. And this part stuck, and then it stuck on the inside. I put some on the inside, but trying to do it in that little room against the wall there, I didn't really expect a good outcome. But anyway, so today I took it off, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to sand all this area here. I tried by hand some sandpaper, and that's pretty tough stuff. It doesn't seem to just slide right along there. It does somewhat here, but anyway. So I'm going to try my little vibrator sander, see how that does. If that doesn't work, I'm going to go to the big guns. I'm going to try this. Now, I saw on the tube there that people have used JB Weld, and all that stuff, and glue and all that stuff. And I suppose I could do that. You can't just buy the tank that I could see. I went to Lowe's and I asked the guy, you sell just the tank? He said, no. Although the entire toilet's not that expensive, actually. $200, you can get a nice one, or $149 or something. Anyway, but there's so many different styles. And I noticed this old toilet here has 4 bolts holding it down, where all the ones there that I saw only had 2. So if I can keep from, changing that, I'm going to be opening up a bunch of worms. I'll probably end up calling a plumber, because I ain't no plumber at all. But I think I could possibly handle this. It's a fun project. So anyway, that's the plan. So let me hold on a minute. Well, you get the idea. It's not. It is scuffing it up a little bit, but actually it made this smoother. But this is a little rougher here. So I'm gonna bring out the I'm gonna bring the grinder and see what happens. Hang on a minute. All right, here we go. That's not making it rougher. It sure is making a mess of it though. Probably ought to get a new one. Yeah, that thing's got, I don't know what's on there, but that ain't gonna, well, it is a little rougher there. Yeah, that's that's even making it smoother. I wonder what I could. Probably I'd be using a mask on this thing. Hang on a second. I got an idea. Hold on. All right, let's try this. Well, it's kind of working. It's taking some of the shine off of it anyway. I'll keep at it. Hang on. Well, that really didn't. It's a little bit rougher, but not much. I gotta clean all that up. Hang on a minute. Well, let's try this. That just makes it smoother. I kind of thought so. I thought I'd try it. I saw some guys take a Dremel and clean up the crack there a little bit, make it a little wider. I think I'll do that with this. And then they fill it up with, well, one guy used super glue and some baking powder, so that. I have got some JB Weld somewhere. There we go. I think I will put JB Weld on it. I'll clean it up real good. Let that dry, and then I'll put tape over it. And I used this on that prior, but this stuff peeled right off, no problem. This is stuck pretty good for some reason. So I'll put that on there. Let me see, this stuff's not coming off very easy. I guess it don't have to. Gotta be probably clean now, so. Anyway, I'll get back to you. Hold on 1 second. We'll see what happens. I decided to try one more time with a brand new Okay, I'll get back to you. This is working somewhat. Okay, I sanded and cleaned that thing till I'm blue in the face. It goes from here to looks like it goes to here. But the water level only gets up to about here, so. But, you know, I'm gonna smear this with the old weld here. See what happens. Hang on 1 second, please. All right, here we go. Well, I don't know, that might do it. Let's see. That looks about right. Now we'll mix this all up. Hang on a minute. All right, got it all mixed up here. Let's put it on there. I'm just gonna use it all. Hang on. There, see? Nobody would even know there was a crack in this thing. So let's let that dry and we'll get back. Well, actually, I guess this is done. It's gonna have to sit for a while, obviously. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll comment whether it worked or not. I suspect this will be fine. But thanks a lot for watching, and have a good time. See ya.